Okay, so in today's video, we are just going to create a custom scripted REST API where we will be fetching incidents where the caller is the logged in user, which is a very common interview question for if you say that you know integration. Okay, now let's just begin with it. We will be typing a scripted REST API in left navigation. Okay, let's just create a new one and I'm naming it as incidents. Same will be copied to API ID. This is our namespace, custom namespace. Okay, you can either remember it, copy it, or visit this page again to copy the namespace and see if you have multiple namespaces. That is okay. All these things, security, content negotiation, we don't need to be concerned with. Our concern is resources, which basically contains the HTTP methods. And I'm just naming it like get active, sorry, incidents created by logged in user, sorry, where caller is logged. Okay, let's just make it short. Logged in user. Caller is me. Okay, let's so this is the relative path. Let me just open this API namespace one. Okay, you can see. Let's just open it. You can see the base path here. So this caller is me, which is my get method ka relative path. It will be appended to this when we open this in REST API Explorer. Okay, that is a matter we can later confirm. Okay, let's just begin with it. Okay, glide record incident. So gr.add query. So basically we want incidents where so we will be using get user ID as caller because it will return us the sys of the logged in user, and since caller ID is a reference field, we need to pass sys as the value, and add active query, which is basic one, and we are running it. Okay, and we are just putting a condition if gr.has next, and then let's just create a var answer because we are creating it as array because we can have multiple incidents created by the logged in user. So we can put it like in this array and show the whole, the result as an array. Okay. So now, okay, if gr.has next first we have put. So if there are no incidents created by this caller as logged in user as caller, then we'll just set the response as there are no active incidents with you as caller. Okay, while gr.next, and then we'll just create a JSON object. That this method is way easier than using colons and applying it, so I usually go by this. And we'll just append it with toString, just to be very safe. Short description. These are few fields that I'll be showing, and of course you can set it to any name you want, the name that will display in your output. I'm putting it to same as my backend name. Okay. Okay, let's display state. We have to use display value here because state backend value is an integers, which of course we won't be displaying. Yeah, and then we will push this JSON object to our array. Because that is it, and then we will set the response as our array. Okay. Mm. Let's just test it once. So we will be opening REST API Explorer. Okay. Um, okay, that was the namespace I told you to remember. So I only have one API name under it, so that is it. And this is the get API logged in user. Okay, okay. So you can see this. Let's just verify it once. Student.list. So caller is me, which is system administrator, and you can see this is the number exactly. ATF test 1 and status new. Okay, let's just impersonate some other user. I guess which one would be it? David Miller. You can see he is having most number of incidents, but we should just confirm before impersonating anyone if he is having ITIL and REST API Explorer access, that you can check under the rules. Let me just quickly show you. I have already granted, I guess, to some users. I'm not sure. Okay. Oh, sorry. Let's just open his account from here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, he has ITIL and he has REST API Explorer also. Explore REST API. Okay. So we are just impersonating him. Let's just refresh this page. Okay, explore. We'll go to this namespace and incidents. That's all right, and then I'll just send it. Okay, 200k. Okay, now you can see all the list. That is it for today. Okay, and let me show you. Wait. Um, let me just show you some other user as well who is not having any incidents, or uh, or let's just change my one to also David Miller, because let's just change my one to also David Miller, because that way I will not need to impersonate anyone to show this. Okay. Okay, let's just refresh the page once again. And this is called negative testing. Not only we are testing that what will happen if the incidents exist, we are also testing what will happen if incidents don't exist, for which I already created the response body, right? Okay. 923, wait a minute. Well, you can take these steps as your troubleshooting steps. Oh, wait a minute. Um, I'm not impersonated anyone. Okay. Let me just check. I don't know what is it saying. Okay. I guess it will not take directly string. So let's just create it like this. obj dot response is equals to no active incidents with US caller. Okay, I guess we have it now. Or let's just change it to obj1 to avoid any mishaps. Yeah, let's just save it because it is not able to convert it to JavaScript object, I guess. So that's the reason it was happening. Okay, let's just send it. Yeah, okay, great. So yeah, thank you very much. That is it for today. Thank you. Bye.